the best ones aren't around. But if you try, you know the dead ones don't back down. You shiver at midnight from the creaking sound of the cradle where your mother once laid you down. River, so the earth remains, but what remains is claimed by your boring. If I could have warned you in time, maybe you'd be alright. Oh river, I heard a murderer is in town. And if you try, you know these murderers don't back down. You shiver at midnight because the alley beside you has seizure declaring a young man died. River, so the earth remains, but what remains is claimed by your boring. If I could have warned you in time, maybe you'd still be fine.
I came out because I want to go shop. So I've gone to Robans. Okay, first of all, when I was coming out, I met a family why is English like this? I met a family friend of ours and he picked me up from the junction. I was so sweating, so I was happy he picked me up, and he was like he's going somewhere, so let him just drop me off, which I was excited about. Getting to Robans, it was closed. We decided to check out Everyday, and getting to Everyday as well, it was closed. I was like, wow. And honestly, I just have today to do my shopping and still make my hair. I'm not even sure if the hairdresser is going to make my hair, but whichever way. And I don't want to stay past today or highest tomorrow. And if I'm going to stay here tomorrow, that's because I want to do bank runs, like bank errands or whatever. So today is just the day for shopping, and this one they are not open. I don't even know. I know Everyday and Robans used to open on Mondays before, so I don't know what happened, why they started closing. But it's really paining me that I came out and they're not open. So imagine I wasted my TV and all those things and I got to that place and I didn't see them. I would have been so heartbroken. But thank God, at least I entered free car. Yeah, right now I'm waiting for him because he took me to where I was going. I had to follow him to where he was going also. So he went inside and I'm just here. So I'm waiting for him to come out and then we'll go back. Like he'll drop me off to my apartment and then he'll go to where he's going to and all that. Guys, my hand is paining me. Guy, what is it? Bye.
There's blossoming such pretty things. It even smells like apple pies. I'll show you around my tiny house while gingerbread man's on the roof, fixing up the broken bits of cookies with some super glue. My roof has got a hole, so when it rains it never stops. We could talk to honeybees and munch on everything we see, or gaze upon the flower beds and chatter away till 3. The roof has got a hole, so when it drizzles you hear the drops. If I had the ability to take away the pain of others, you would be the first again our lifetime of joy. We could talk to honeybees and munch on everything we see, or gaze upon the flower beds and chatter away till 3. The roof has got a hole, so when it drizzles you hear the drops. If I had the ability to take away the pain of others, we could talk to honeybees and munch on everything we see, or gaze upon the flower beds and chatter away till 3. The roof has got a hole, so when it drizzles you hear the drops. If I had the ability to take away